Have you ever pondered the silence of the cosmos despite the high probability of extraterrestrial life? An intriguing paradox confronts us. If the universe is teeming with life, why haven't we heard a peep? Where are all the other civilizations? Are they hiding, or is there something we're missing? It's a conundrum that has puzzled astrologists and scientists for decades. The answer to this paradox may lie in the dark forest theory. The dark forest theory, a concept from the science fiction novel The Three-Body Problem, offers a chilling answer to the paradox. Imagine, if you will, a vast, dense forest at night where every rustle of leaves or snap of twigs could signal danger. Now replace the trees with galaxies, the shadows with the vast emptiness of space, and the creatures lurking in the undergrowth with alien civilizations. This is the essence of the dark forest theory. This theory posits that the universe is like a dark forest, where every civilization is a hunter. These hunters are quiet, stealthy, hidden among the trees, for fear of attracting the attention of another, potentially more powerful hunter. The universe, in this analogy, is a place of danger and uncertainty, where civilizations hide in the dark, afraid to reveal their existence to others. The theory's name comes from the idea that it's safer to remain silent, to stay hidden, than to call out and risk being heard by a predator. The silence of the universe, according to this theory, is not due to a lack of life, but rather the result of advanced civilizations choosing to remain undetected for their own safety. Now you might be wondering, why the fear? Wouldn't advanced civilizations be peaceful? Well, the dark forest theory suggests that this may not be the case. Just as in a real forest where a deer can fall prey to a tiger, a less advanced civilization could become a target for a more advanced one. The risk of exposing oneself, of becoming a target, might be too great a gamble for any civilization to take. So every civilization, every hunter in this dark forest of a universe, stays quiet. They listen, they watch, they hide. Because in a dark forest, making noise, revealing your location, could lead to your downfall. This theory suggests that silence is the best strategy for survival in a universe potentially full of predatory civilizations. So, how does this survival strategy work in the cosmic dark forest? Well, let's imagine the universe as a dense, dark forest, where every civilization is a silent hunter. These hunters are listening for the faintest sound of movement, the slightest sign of other life. They know that any noise could reveal their location and attract attention, and in the dark forest, attention can be deadly. This is the crux of the survival strategy in the dark forest theory. According to this theory, civilizations that have managed to survive in the cosmic wilderness have done so by staying quiet. They've learned that making noise in this context, broadcasting their existence or revealing their location, might lead to their destruction by a more advanced, possibly predatory civilization. This might sound bleak, and you might be wondering, why would other civilizations be hostile? Well, consider this. In a universe filled with unknowns, the only safe assumption is that any other life form could be a potential threat. It's the classic hunter's dilemma, a question of shoot or be shot. Therefore, the rational choice for any civilization is to eliminate potential competitors before they become a threat. But why would they do this? Well, it's not necessarily about aggression or malice, it's about survival. Resources in the universe are finite. Space, energy, matter, all are limited. And any civilization with the power to travel the stars would understand this. They would know that every other civilization is a potential competitor for these resources. The potential for conflict, then, is built into the very fabric of the universe. It's a dark thought, but it's a possibility we can't ignore. And so in this cosmic game of hide and seek, the best strategy is to hide, to stay silent, to blend into the darkness of the forest and hope that no one stumbles upon us. Staying silent then becomes a necessary strategy for survival. The dark forest theory provides a compelling solution to the Fermi paradox. Let's delve into that a bit. The Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, is essentially a contradiction between the high probability estimates for the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. In short, if the universe is teeming with life, where is everybody? Enter the dark forest theory. This theory, a brainchild of science fiction writer Liu Cixin, offers a chilling solution to the Fermi paradox. The dark forest theory posits that the universe is akin to a dark forest, where its inhabitants, the civilizations, are like hunters. These hunters are quiet, careful, always on the lookout but never revealing their positions because in this forest, revealing oneself could lead to destruction. So, how does this theory answer the Fermi paradox? Well, it suggests that the reason we haven't heard from other civilizations is not because they don't exist, but because they are intentionally hiding, just like we are. It's important to understand the fundamental difference between the Fermi paradox and the dark forest theory. The Fermi paradox is a question, a conundrum, born out of the contradiction between the Drake equation's optimistic predictions for extraterrestrial life and our total lack of contact with such life. On the other hand, the dark forest theory is an answer, a proposed solution to the Fermi paradox. It's a theory that takes a look at the universe and sees not a welcoming, life-filled expanse but a dangerous, predatory dark forest, where silence is the only means of survival. To sum it all up, the dark forest theory proposes that the universe is a vast, silent forest, where civilizations hide to avoid detection and possible annihilation. It offers a compelling answer to the Fermi paradox's question of where is everybody, by suggesting that everybody is out there but they're just too afraid to make a sound. The dark forest theory then paints a picture of a universe where silence is not just golden but crucial for survival. The implications of the dark forest theory are profound and unsettling. This theory, a twist on our cosmic perspective, has implications that reach far and wide, touching not only our understanding of the universe, but also our search for extraterrestrial life. Let's start by looking at the universe. For centuries we've viewed the cosmos as a grand stage, a place of wonder and endless possibility. But the dark forest theory paints a darker picture. It suggests that the universe isn't just a vast expanse of stars and galaxies, but a dangerous wilderness, a dark forest where every civilization is a hunter, silent and cautious, trying to survive. And what about our search for extraterrestrial life? We've always hoped to find intelligent life out there to prove we're not alone in the cosmos. But what if the silence we've encountered so far is not because we're alone, but because other civilizations are hiding, fearing detection just as we should be? The dark forest theory implies that our quest for contact could be a dangerous game, a game where revealing our location could invite disaster. This theory also forces us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. Are we just another species hiding in the dark forest of the universe? Are we hunters or the hunted? Or are we perhaps the naive wanderers shouting our existence into the void, oblivious to the dangers that might lurk in the shadows? And most importantly, it raises questions about our future. If the universe is indeed a dark forest, what does that mean for our survival? Should we continue to broadcast our existence? Or should we retreat into silence, hiding like all the other intelligent life forms that might be out there? The dark forest theory forces us to confront the possibility of a universe that is not just unknown, but potentially hostile. It shakes our understanding of the cosmos, our place in it, and the future of our species. But as unsettling as it may be, it's a theory that can't be ignored as we continue to explore the vast, mysterious universe. The dark forest theory, while chilling, offers a fascinating perspective on our place in the universe. We've delved into the enigma of the cosmos, unveiling the chilling yet captivating dark forest theory. This theory, drawn from a metaphor of a dark, dense forest where every civilization is like a hunter, silent for fear of revealing their location to a potential predator, redefines our conception of life beyond our planet. We've discussed the survival strategy that the dark forest theory proposes: silence as a means of survival. It's a stark contrast to our current efforts, where we broadcast our presence to the cosmos, hoping to make contact with extraterrestrial life. This theory suggests that such behavior might be naive, even dangerous. We've also explored how the dark forest theory provides a possible resolution to the Fermi paradox, the seeming contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. The theory suggests that civilizations might be purposely avoiding communication, hiding in fear of potential predators. The implications of the dark forest theory are vast. It changes our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It suggests that we might not be alone but rather part of a silent, hidden community of civilizations, all keeping quiet for fear of detection. As we gaze into the cosmos, the dark forest theory reminds us that silence might be the best strategy for survival in a possibly predatory universe.